here is the default kit sound. Let me walk through just a few more so you can get an idea of what they sound like. So you can see this is a really small and simple setup, which I love. If you need to pick this up and move it anywhere in the house, you can just pick it up. You can put it on a stool like this, a box. If you're in a dorm, just put it wherever on the floor. It doesn't matter. It's really small, really portable, but it plays like an electronic drum set. A few things to be aware of. Your snare pad is the mesh head pad, and then all the other pads are just kind of like your rubber practice pad or something like that. And the cymbals, hi-hat, same deal. They're just kind of a rubber that we can hit. The snare drum, you can do rim shots on it, but the cymbals, you don't have any cymbal dampening or anything like that. You just hit it. The hi-hat, on the other hand, you can hit in a closed position or an open position, and you've got your hi-hat pedal as well. So your hi-hat and your bass drum, they're just foot pedals. There's no velocity on the bass drum. If you hit it soft, it plays just as loud as if you hit it hard. As far as the velocity on the snare drum goes, and then the other pads, I think sounds like there's 2 volume levels. This is a sponsored video. This was sent to me by AKLOT to try out. And honestly, I think my favorite thing about it is you can see the case in the background. Everything goes in the case. The only real setup is just plugging in all the cables and setting up the cymbals. It doesn't take long at all. But the really nice thing about this is I've got kind of a messy house. I'm limited on space. I don't have a way to have a permanent drum kit setup. So with something like this, I can play it as much as I want, and then I can put it away and I can put it under a bed, under a desk, something like that. And I just don't need to leave it out all the time. As far as how well this plays, it's just like any other electronic drum kit. Obviously, everything's kind of closer, more kind of scrunched together. But with any drum kit, you just kind of have to get used to how far apart things are spaced anyway. I like the controls. If you want to change the kit sound, it's really easy to do. I do want to point out that if I turn this off and turn it back on again, it kind of goes back to what the default is. And by that, I mean it has reverb on everything. So I'm not a huge fan of the reverb. If you want, you just press the reverb button, and then you can turn it up. So you got a lot of reverb, but I usually just turn it down to 1. So that's always the first thing I do when I turn this on. Now, another thing you can do on the console is you can do a metronome. So you can do a click like this and play along with that. You can also record the things you play, and you can configure the trigger and voice. So say, for example, you don't like all of the sounds on a kit and you want to kind of customize it. I could go here to voice. I could pick out this tom, select the voice. It's at 156. I can change it to 157, 158, 159, and I'll just go back to 157. It's nice that you can customize things that way. Another nice thing about this controller is it does come with a USB cable, so you can plug this into your computer, and then if you have a digital audio workstation or a drum kit on your computer, if you want to play with different sounds or play games like Clone Hero, you can hook it up to your computer and use this as a MIDI device. And the final thing I want to kind of talk about is you can play songs. So here's a song, and I really actually like that it has songs built into it, because it makes a really easy way to just kind of play along. So like, here's a funky tune. I could just yeah, so I'm not good, but when I have music playing along and it already has drums, I can kind of pretend like I know what I'm doing sometimes. But mostly what I like about the songs is you can listen to what the drum pattern is, try to copy it. get ideas for fills, for different ways to play different kits, things like that. So if you are looking for something that's just really portable, easy to move around, the other thing I really like about it is, let me go ahead and turn this off. This is what it sounds like to the rest of my family. I'm in the basement. They are all upstairs. They have no idea I'm doing anything at all. They cannot hear this. It is super quiet. Well, relatively quiet. Quieter than an acoustic drum set for sure. But you can pack this up, store it away. If you're thinking about getting into drums and you don't want to pay a lot of money, but you want to see what it's like, this is perfect. If you need something to practice on at different places and need something portable, this is perfect for that as well. This is a really cool drum kit.